Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are vlogging today. It is already off to a great start today. I know today is going to be so great. Do you ever just wake up on those days and you just feel like, today is going to be great. I've got a spearmint tea. This is a life hack. I like to use the same spearmint tea bag like for 3 different cups. I use the same bag but 3 different cups of water. By the end of it, you basically just have hot water. Anyway, today, you guys, is going to be so great because, first of all, I'm going to the dermatologist. Yay! And you need to get a requisition from a doctor to get into the dermatologist. Oh, I don't know why. I wish you could just show up and be like, hello, I need some help. So I went to my doctor. I got a requisition. Basically, I should also tell you guys, I have a Glam Glow mud mask on my nose. This is not just like, my nose does not look like this normally. Trust me. But yeah, I went to the doctor to get a requisition for the dermatologist because I want to talk about prescription retinol. What is retinol, you might ask? Retinol is one of the only proven ingredients for anti-aging. It really helps cell turnover to release those fine lines, wrinkles. It helps you have any buildup in your nose area, which I do. It's actually my #1 problem area. So hopefully she's cool. I also want to chit chat about some anti-aging stuff just moving forward. I'm getting older and you know, it's not fun. Today we also need to, this is just like my verbal list out loud so I don't forget anything. I also need to pick up balloons. We need some balloons because today I want to film my 100th video. I can't believe it, 100 videos already. That is a lot of stuff looking back. If you guys only knew the amount of stuff I've been through with all these videos, from like lights falling over and breaking, to smashing my MacBook Air, like to my ring light burning out, there has just been so many things. Like, you sit down and you think it's so easy to film a video and throw it up on YouTube. It's not. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of really hard work. So to get to 100 videos is really exciting. So I want to pick up some balloons from the party store. I don't even know if they still have the party store. It's been, I mean, how often do you go to a party store? So I want to swing by there. I'm also dying for a caramel macchiato. I'm on like a caramel macchiato tip recently, but I might just get a black coffee. I do need to go to the gym, I need to shower, we need to film that video. Also, I want to take a minute to thank all of my new subscribers. You guys are awesome, guys. We are just gaining subscribers by the droves. It makes me so excited. I love to hear from you guys. Let me know always, like, if you're a new subscriber, comment down below what types of videos you want to see, what types of videos you like. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But before I can get this day started, I do have to get in the shower, so let's do it. I'm back, I'm showered, I'm fresh, I smell like Nautica and Britney Spears' Midnight Fantasy, and I'm about to fulfill my caramel macchiato dreams.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hey, could I have a medium caramel macchiato?
We don't have macchiatos.
How about a latte?
Sure.
Cool.
So caramel?
Yeah, please.
And was it 2% or skim?
Skim, please.
Sure. You can track through the first one now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, how embarrassing was that? They don't have caramel macchiatos. You guys, I'm just so used to going to Starbucks, and there is no Starbucks in this neighborhood, so I stopped at a McDonald's, and that was very embarrassing. I probably sound very pretentious, but before I get up to the window, let's put on some lip chap. Oh, you guys, I'm dying. Living and dying. This is Clarins lip oil. All right. So we left a little bit early before my appointment because, just hang on guys, I have to pay. Ooh, almost. For those of you who don't live in Canada, Canadian money. Kind of looks like Monopoly money, but weird. It's kind of like plastic too. Yeah, so we left a little bit early, or I left a little bit early before the dermatologist appointment. I want to try and get my balloons first, but question, and let me know in the answers down below. It'll probably be too late by then, but if I get my balloons now, it's cold outside. Hey, thank you. If I get my balloons now and it's cold outside, do they deflate?
85 cents. That'll be at the next
Thanks a lot. Oh, that girl hates me. Since it's cold outside, will the balloons deflate? I don't know. I don't know if I ever learned that. So, I mean, we're gonna take a risk. Helium balloons. I should suck the helium out of a balloon. What if I did a helium balloon skincare routine? All right. I need a coffee ASAP. If you've been following my channel for a while now, you know that I've been trying to give coffee up. Hey, thanks a million. And I switched to tea, like you saw this morning, but I still need that 1 cup a day. I just can't get over it. Oh, that was more stressful than it needed to be. All right, so now I have to find, we have got 40 minutes before the dermatologist appointment. Ooh. Oh, this smells delicious. Caramel latte. I wish you guys could smell it. Although the caramel stuff from McDonald's, I've got to say, does taste a little bit like plasticky. I don't know. Just what I wanted. Anyway, I am going to drive to the party store. I will meet you guys there, and I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, well, scrap the party store idea because it has either moved, vanished, gone out of business. I can't even find the building. I just drove around. I feel like I have temporary amnesia. Like, I know it should be here somewhere, but it's not here. And I tried to Google it, but I can't remember the name of the party store. Then I tried to Google just party store, and I can't find anything. So we're gonna scrap that. We're just gonna go to the dermatologist from here. I'm gonna try and get some balloons afterwards, maybe from like a grocery store or something. Maybe literally no one gets balloons anymore. So all the balloon stores have gone out of business. Let's go see if we can find some helium balloons in the grocery store. This would be so amazing if this works out because the dermatologist clinic is literally right there. The grocery store is right here. So let's go inside and take a look. Fingers crossed. Well, that was a disastrous fail. No balloons anywhere. Ugh. What am I gonna do, you guys? What am I gonna do if we can't find any balloons? I'm devastated, you guys. I'm devastated. All right. Now I woke up and I remember thinking, oh my God, today's gonna be a great day. I was so positive, blah, 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 blah. And then there was no caramel macchiato at McDonald's and there was no balloon store, no balloons at the grocery store. Well, if I don't get retinol from the dermatologist, I'm going to just... All right, we're not going to worry. We're going to find balloons. We're going to get retinol. We're going to drink this latte and be grateful that we have it because it is pretty tasty. All right, so I guess I'm just going to wait in the car for a couple of minutes, and this guy just ran into my car with his grocery cart. Wonderful. We're gonna wait in the car for the dermatologist, and hopefully when I meet you back here, I will have great news and my day will be turned around. Oy vey, guys, it is later. It's actually much later. It's about 5 o'clock. I'm exhausted. Today was draining. Started off so positive, so happy, so cheerful, and then it just like went downhill like a slippery slope. But we're not gonna let it go any further because we got it, guys. We got the retinol prescription. I've got the fountain of youth in my hands. So my dermatologist appointment was actually pretty cool. So I get there and we sit down and we start chatting. I've actually never talked to a dermatologist about all of my skincare concerns before. So first things first, she was like, strip off all your clothes except for your underwear and we're gonna check you for skin cancer. I was like, okay. I mean, I'm not here for that, but I mean, it's always good to get checked out. I spent so much time in the sun when I was younger. I feel like it's the inevitable. I don't want to put that out in the universe, but like, I'm gonna be so lucky if I make it with no real skin cancer. But so I took off all my clothes. We did a whole search. She actually did a search with like a microscope and a light. So that was kind of weird, but everything checked out fine. She did all up inside my hair, between my fingers, between my toes. So like, cancer free. Ding, ding, ding. Next up, my biggest concern, retinol. So I wanted to talk with her. I got all of this information here. I have so much to tell you guys. First of all, I got this whole list. I don't even want to show you. I don't want anyone to pause the screen, of all dermatologist recommended drugstore skincare. So the dermatologist said, I have tried so many different products. This is a list of my favorites. Definitely check them out. So what I think I'm gonna do is create a whole skincare routine that my dermatologist gave me. Brilliant. But on to the good stuff, on to the retinol. So we talked about all different retinols, retinoids, different types of retinol, and what my skin concerns were, what I was looking for from the retinol. And we ended up settling on one called Stieva-A, or Retin-A, Retinol A, which is fantastic for acne, which I don't have, but it's great for acne, great for whiteheads, great for blackheads. We are starting with the lowest tier, so 0.01. Let's just open this up and I'll give you guys a show. What I'm gonna do is film a whole retinol, a before and after series of probably somewhere between 8 to 12 weeks. And I'm also gonna do just a retinol skincare routine so you guys can see up close and personal. This is the tube here, Stieva-A. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. This is literally the fountain of youth. All right, let's pop. Ooh, here it comes. Dun, 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 dun. And my dermatologist gave me the Stieva-A cream form. It comes in a cream and a gel, but from what I've read and what the dermatologist also said, the gel formula is a lot more irritating. So really quickly, let's just get, I have to say as well about those balloons. I'm not gonna be able to film my 100th video because I couldn't find balloons and I refuse to film it without balloons. What's the point without balloons? Everyone's like, oh, just get a cake. I don't like cake. I don't like cake. So doesn't leave me many choices. But back to the retinol. So when you apply retinol, what I need to do, and I'm gonna do this tonight, I'm so excited. I would do it for you guys right now, but it's actually quite a process. So what you need to do is wash your face. It was recommended around like 5 or 6. Wash your face. Don't put anything on. Blasphemy, no cream after washing my face. That's gonna be something new. But don't put anything on your skin for a full hour. Let it get completely dry, let the barrier dry down 100%, absolutely no moisture. Then you wanna go in with about a pea-sized amount of the retinol, spread it evenly all over your face, and then you can either follow it with a moisturizer right away if you find you have sensitive skin or it's burning. You can also mix it in with your moisturizer as well if you have sensitive skin and it's burning. Or after that initial application, wait another hour or 2, and then before you go to bed, follow with your nighttime cream. You don't really need to be concerned about the sun so much. You should be wearing an SPF anyway, but in my case, I'm staying out of the sun altogether, so no rays are hitting these. That's why I have a hat on all the time. Even though I'm indoors, I'm still wearing a hat. Anyway, that is my complete retinol journey, you guys. Today has been such a whirlwind, but we did it. We've got the fountain of youth by our side. I can't wait to fill you guys in on how it works. That is a wrap on my going to a dermatologist vlog. At least out of all the things that happened today, we ended up getting the retinol, which was the most important. There was no balloons, there was no caramel macchiato, but there was retinol at the end of the rainbow. Like always, if you love this style of vlogging, go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe down below and that little bell notification so you know every time I upload a new video. Guys, I love vlogging. I just don't do that many exciting things, TBH. I mostly just film, go here and there, like nothing too crazy. But if you love this style, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And one more time, welcome to all my new subscribers. Hello to all my old subscribers. If you need more of me in between now and next video, you can always keep up with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. There are so many other videos on my channel to check out. Until the next video, guys, I can't wait to see you then. Bye. Woo! Woo! That's not so magical without editing, hey? Bye, guys.